No matter the weather, Alexandria Emergency Hospital is always here for you. Rain or shine, our doors are open 24/7 to provide the care you and your loved ones need fast. Every second counts, and Alexandria Emergency Hospital is here to help you through any storm.
In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, good morning. I don't know why that was weird like that, but hey, it showed up now. So I typically start off by saying, hey, chilly morning, or hey, it's warm and humid and nasty, or raining, or something generally that's happening across the area. But in this case, I'd say chilly, Natchitoches, you'd be like, yeah, it's definitely chilly. And then if you were down, say, in St. Landry Parish, you'd be like, you're crazy. It's warm. And here in Alexandria, we are right on the line. So good morning, everyone. Let's take a look around, see what we have here. 49 degrees in Natchitoches, north-northwesterly winds. I think you know where this is going here. I'm going to show you where the front is. 63 in Leesville, not far away. 63 with a dew point of 60. So there is a front in between Leesville and Natchitoches. Here in Alexandria, 65, dew point 62. So we're on the warm side. That front it's going to waver around today, and it's going to play heck with our temperatures. It's going to be cooler to the north and much warmer down to the south. So radar already showing some rain, actually some flood warnings, or one flood warning up there in southern Bossier and Caddo Parish. I'm actually going to run over to analysis mode for a minute here and show you what we have going on with the local radar. There's the flood warning. It's kind of an urban small stream flood advisory because they had some heavy rain on the, if you're in a more urban area with all the concrete and things like that, that's where you're going to see the problems with the runoff because you don't have as much green stuff to absorb all that, and much soil and grass and all that to kind of work on that. But definitely seeing some heavy rain up that way. The totals haven't been too crazy yet. Let me take a look and see on accumulation let's go 6 hours. And yeah, I mean, it's been pretty manageable. I was actually a little surprised to see a flood warning, but it is coming down pretty hard there with some areas seeing up to an inch or so in short order. So I think we'll see more of the same down here later today. Get the radar back up, put it in motion. I'll even put lightning on. What the heck? Take that off. Wait. There is a flood watch also up in the northern part of the area. So from Grant up through Wynn, Natchitoches, Sabine Parish, you're under that flood watch for today. LaSalle as well, I think. If not, it's close enough. So heavy rain along that band right there. This is all going to start moving our way. I'll show you the model. It is moving our way. I'll show you what models are saying on everything here in just a second. Temperatures, yeah, there's a cold front, obviously. 43 in Shreveport. So it's 43 with heavy rain falling up there. It's 65. You see that front drape right over the center of the area, and then to the south, very warm and humid. Dew point's going to show it even better. Dew points from the 40s to the near 70 range down there around New Orleans. So that front is just going to kind of waffle around today. You can see here's the 18th interpretation of what this front will do, but it's going to slowly sag to the south. Now, I think that puts a lid on severe chances today, but that moisture is going to ride over the top of the front. We're going to see some heavy rainfall on the north side. So less rain to the south, maybe a small severe chance, but rain showers, and I think a few thunderstorms mixed in for today. We went with a 100% rain chance, and we're sticking with it, and here's why. Here is your HRRR model showing lots of rain, just kind of a wall of water across central Louisiana. Here it comes. So that's 1 o'clock. More showers into 7 o'clock this evening, and you can kind of see it goes back to the north a little bit overnight. 6 a.m. tomorrow, showers and storms. This looks like the finishing blow. I'm sorry, it's not. We have more rain that's going to linger in through the afternoon on Wednesday and possibly bring us 2 to 4 inches of rain across most of the area. Again, less to the south, more to the north where it's going to be a little bit cooler, which I know is kind of counterintuitive. We also have a small severe threat, level 1 of 5, marginal risk out in Alabama, Mississippi, and then for western parts of the area, Toledo Bend, Leesville down toward DeRidder. It's low. It's like a 5% risk of a severe storm within 25 miles of a point. I think we're mostly post-frontal today, so I don't think we'll see as a crazy threat out there. Now, tomorrow we do have that marginal risk area wide with a slight risk off to the east, including areas Catahoula, Concordia, Avoyelles, and down into St. Landry Parish. So tomorrow a little bit better threat for severe weather as we will see that warm air kind of surging back to the north, and we will see that threat for severe weather. And that's what we're going to be watching closely for your day on Wednesday. Now, I think heavy rain's the main story with this because we just get these persistent waves of things going through. That's great, Cleo. Thank you for the visit. Come here. Come on. Come here. All right, so showers and thunderstorms through tomorrow. This is our daily visit. I mean, this is just it happens more than you'd think. She just likes to turn off monitors. That's why we have to. Yes, there you go, MVP. I'm sorry, baby. I'll snuggle with you later, both of you. All right, so rain showers and thunderstorms, heavy rainfall coming through the area for today and tomorrow. Then we get a couple of days off here. I think we don't see much Thursday or Friday, and then showers and thunderstorms, they are going to continue to move through on Saturday, and that's the day where I think we have a little bit higher chance for severe weather. I'll take you on that tour here in just a second. Yeah, but that gets out of here for the weekend. There's your slight risk or your 15% risk. They don't call it a slight this far out, but Saturday, decent chance for some severe weather. I think that's a better chance for severe weather than what we'll see tomorrow. What is pretty much a lock is the northern half of the area, seeing very heavy rain, 3 to 6 inches over these next couple of systems. Latest high-resolution models have really pulled this heavier rain with the next couple of days with that system just a little bit to the south. So that means I think we're going to see that here across Rapides, Vernon, and Avoyelles and points north. So 2 to 4 inches out of this, and then we get more of the same by Saturday. Not quite as much, but maybe another inch or two out of that one with, again, a higher severe threat. It's going to warm up. You see that 77 degrees? That's where we get that instability in there. That's where we have a higher chance for the severe weather. After that, it cools off. We're back into the 50s. I think we stay cool for a while after that, so that will take away the severe threat as well. But Saturday, definitely one of those days I am keeping an eye on. Then it stays cool through most of the end of the month, it looks like, with temperatures kind of in the 40s and 50s. So yes, we will still have some winter to go through, and I think at least one system there that's going to probably just produce some rainfall. I don't see anything too crazy out of that because we will be on the cool side of things. So that means severe weather is not going to be a big threat. Yeah, the National Weather Network thing, that is really exciting. Excuse me. Here, I'm going to stop recording and then I'll talk about that. So that's my forecast for today for the 24-hour channel. Okay, that's gone. All right, now the National Weather Network thing, and I posted about this yesterday. It's basically 6 of us now. So we hesitate to call it the National Network, even though we've got one in California, one up there in New Jersey. The goal is to fill the gaps with a bunch of meteorologists and really responsible weather people that are really passionate about this, that have a following, that aren't just sharing crazy model runs and just being goofy. We want to get a network of that together. And yeah, it would be great eventually to be able to sell national ads or something. And make a little bit more money that way, kind of, to build things up. But the main goal is to have this network put together where I can say, hand it off to severe coverage. I made up the name Jimmy Nimbus out in Mississippi. Trust me, we're talking to people all over the country right now. We'd love to get them involved, and we'll see what happens. But no matter what, you're going to always have your local stuff right here. Tom and I, we've got you covered here, and hopefully we'll be able to have a network where we have even more responsible meteorologists like us that want to do it the right way. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday. It's going to be really wet. I could see maybe breaking in to do a little test live during not severe weather, but, active weather later today, just to kind of see if I know the system well. I think so. I'd like to test it out before it's just crazy tornado outbreak or something. But yeah, all right. Well, have a great Tuesday. I will see you probably later today, maybe. And then if not, I'll see you tomorrow. It's going to be rainy, so bring that umbrella. Tomorrow, it's going to be rainy, so bring that umbrella.